Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you all? Okay class, what is date today? 15, 12, 20. Okay class, what is day today? Tell me the answer, okay? Okay class, now start Maths Workbook page number 28. Okay? Open page number 28. Look at the page. Okay? How many chicks are there in a picture? Class, how many chicks are there in a picture? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay class. Which number is this? 6. Which number is this? 6. How many chicks are there in a picture? 6. Okay class, how to write 6? Now, make a curve, come in. Okay class, now make a curve, come in. Okay. Let's start page number 29. Okay children, look at this page. How many animals are there? How many animals are there? Okay, let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many animals are there? 6. Which number is this? 6. How to write 6? Make a curve, come in. Okay? Okay class, now let's make a 6. Make a curve, come in. It's very easy. Okay class, Allah Hafiz. Complete this page 28 and 29. Okay? Allah Hafiz.